Shit. Oh my God. Everybody else was like, oh wait, look at it. And I was like, it's gonna stop making sense, guys. Right now, it's not making sense, but soon, I'm telling you, it's going to start making a lot of sense. But anyway, hey, hold on, before we go into that. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this, my friends, is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And so am I. And that being said, let's grab a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Kaspa. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, do you understand the reason why this is always funny for me now? Or you don't yet? we about to look at the 24 hours market performance, okay? We about to look at that. Oh my God, propitious magicians, this guy is something else. Right after that, we will check it out on the market. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. It's just it's too funny to me. But anyways, right after that, we'll look at prices in details. And right after that, we will check on our positions. Are we buying Lambos yet? But anyways, yeah, excuse me. Yeah, before that, let me turn this down for a second. How are we gonna do this? Okay, there you go. It's just like this macroeconomy, right? This government, I don't think they know what they want to do. I don't think they know. But it's just like, first they come out with government shutting down, and everybody and their grandmama, okay, they got ready for it. Because the hints were from, I think it was yesterday or day before yesterday, when people were starting to know that, okay, the government is about to resolve the issue and everything is going to come back to normal. And we heard people talking about, oh, all that liquidity that has been sitting on the sideways. All that liquidity that has been sitting on the sideways is about to flood into crypto, and the floodgates are going to open, and then the sky is going to turn blue. And I'm looking at him like, okay guys, number one, sky has always been blue. It's not the first time, it's not the second time, and it's not the third time that we sit here and I tell you, this bull run is different. You have got to pay attention to macroeconomy, not the decision they're taking right now. You got to take attention because, like, if you look at it this way, we have two options, okay? There is no third one. It's just two only, okay? And we have discussed it here time after time after time. First option, okay, they could print money, pump it into economy, but where is that money going to go? Where is it going to go? The Japanese economy is doing bad. Chinese economy is doing bad. And as a matter of fact, they have started to hike up their rates. Like, I mean, they started cutting down rates and trying to do whatever they can to try to save economy. So they are doing worse than you think. Okay? So if we print money, we have a big problem. One, inflation is already running out of hands. If you print more, you are going to inflate the US dollar even worse than it has ever been in all its entire history, right? That's one. And two, if you print money, we are having a problem on the international table, because remember, we said the US was a reserve currency. That's what we said. And because of that, the gold standard was removed, right? The gold standard was removed, and everybody, I believe your word, and that was it. We are not going to print money. We are not going to do this. But every time the U.S. has had a problem, we always resulted in printing money, right? So that forced the creation of the BRICS. People that want to dethrone the US dollar. And I think my video yesterday, I was explaining it to you, or day before yesterday. Look at what China has been doing. China has been buying gold left and right as if it was going out of style. What China is trying to do is peg their yen to gold. Remember with the last time we did, when US did it in the first place, and it kind of made the US a powerhouse. That is what China is trying to replicate. Man, I can't speak today. Replicate. Okay, that's what they are trying to do. But when you look at it, it won't work. It won't, because their main excuse, okay, so far, their main excuse is like, if you hold your wealth in US dollars, let's say you disagree with the US, they freeze your stuff, you can't do nothing about it because it's in their own currency, right? And my question to them is, okay, if I have a problem, let's just say I take my gold, I gave it to you, because one of the speculations is that your gold has to sit in the vault in China, not in your country, in China. So the thing is, and my question I ask again, I say, okay, what if me and you have a problem, okay, Mr. Seizing Pishus, and then, yeah, you say you don't agree, I don't agree, okay, does that mean that I can come straight to China with my boat or my car or whatever I gotta bring in and pick up my gold? Will that be possible? If you believe that, then something is wrong with you. Seriously. All they have to do is not give you a visa, not to go into their house. See? Same thing as the US seizing your stuff. It's the same thing. So you have it right there. It's so when you start looking at it, okay, one, I don't think they're going to print money, because they are trying to counter whatever that China is doing. They are trying to make sure to show people that the US, the dollar, is still the king of the jungle. Okay? The dollar is still your reserve currency. The dollar is still your everything. If you print money, you devaluate that asset. Do you think people are going to want to store their value in there? Do you think so? It's not going to happen. It's just, and when the more the time goes by, the more you start telling people about it, the more I don't know. Seriously, I don't know what to tell you. I don't. And there's a lot of people over there talking about, yeah, when the money comes back and then this and that. Okay, today, Trumpicious Magicians came into the White House and he went with this little pen. Like his arm, ping, bang, government open. Nostradamus, government open. The government came back alive. What's happening to the market? Yeah, how you looking at it? Because I'm telling you, it's not going to go that way. If you look at it, they are not going to choose inflation over economy. They are not going to do that. Trust me, they are going to try to save economy, okay, and fuck inflation. You understand? That is where we are heading to. And as a matter of fact, that's why you see, even though with everything going on right now, the US don't give a shit, because this November ISO 222 or 20022 goes live. And once that happens, my friends, your bank, my bank, Uncle T's basement bank, everything as you know it is going to start transacting in stable coins. And that, my friends, is the hidden bullet that our good friend Trumpicious Magicians has hidden. You don't understand it, okay? Like I said at the start, it will make no sense to you until it starts to happen. The question there is not if it is going to happen or not. The question I usually ask everybody on this my millionaire journey: what are you going to do about it? That is my question to you. That's my question. What are you going to do about it? Because now, everybody and their grandmama, they're still looking at the green candles. They're still looking at, yeah, money coming out, brrr, stuff like that happening. Even when our good friend, okay, Paul Shoes, has said, we are not going in that way. They are going to start, they're going to play around quantitative key easing and quantitative tightening. QE and QT, they're going to play around them. And I'm telling you, Even when the cut rates, it's not going to be the same. We've seen it, right? We've seen it. And you still see people come around and try to, it is hard, man. It is hard to try to show people the light. Seriously, it's hard. We'll be here and you tell somebody, guys, Kaspa, Quant, Jasmine, Cash, in that order. Well, you can remove Jasmine if you want to, okay? But Kaspa, Quant, Cash, you cannot miss those things. You can't. Because right now, as things stand, okay, I told you, once everybody in the grandmama sees this, okay, stablecoins go live on banks. Okay, the US pegs stablecoin to the US treasuries. The next step is going to be what chain, okay, runs those stablecoins better. That's going to be the next chain, the next step. You think it's going to be Solana? You think it's going to be Ethereum? That's what you think, right? You're about to have this biggest surprise. You're about to have the biggest surprise of your life. That's what you're about to have. On the meantime, like a lot of people said, but the VPROCs are not there yet. Chill. Okay, chill. Even if the law, if it goes to an effect today, that banks can use now stablecoin, it's going to take a couple months for everything to settle in. And by the time it's settled in, VPROCs will be there. VPROCs will be there. And those of you who has been accumulating Kaspa, it will be time for you to celebrate. It's almost there. Okay, it's almost there. Because like people keep saying it. Y'all remember a couple of months ago, I think we had this argument on my channel, because a bunch of people came on my channel and they were trolling it when I said Kaspa is the real Bitcoin. Right? Y'all remember that? And nobody seems to believe it. Nobody seems to want to play along with it. And I told you, Kaspa is the real Bitcoin. I told you that Bitcoin was the testnet for Kaspa. How many times did I say it on this channel? I got like hate for a lot of Bitcoin maxes. If I could, I steal you my inbox right now. I got hate for so many of them for saying it. Now it has started to turn back. It has started to come. You remember yesterday or the day before yesterday when I told him, like, this guy Michael Sello interview when he was talking about Bitcoin, and I say he's not telling the truth, because Bitcoin, when you take it on the Lightning Network, the decentralization part of it disappears. It does disappear. And so when shit like that happen, they don't tell you. All they're trying to make you see is green candles. Now, if you look at it this way, let's just say Bitcoin didn't come out in 2009 and they waited until 2020 or 2022. Let's just say let's just wait and they waited until 2024. That, my friend, they would have had all the knowledge that they needed, okay, to make the perfect Bitcoin, which is in today's vocabulary is called Kaspa. That's what it is. Because again, if you look at what Kaspa is doing and you look at the Bitcoin white paper, my friend, you will start you will start seeing the truth. Seriously, you will. And that is why I keep telling you, like, okay, do not look at the price of Kaspa right now. It wouldn't make any sense at all. It wouldn't make any sense for Kaspa to run right now. It wouldn't. But once we start seeing this smart contracts start getting implemented, you start seeing ecosystem starts to grow and stuff like that, then you will understand it. You will. So far, I told you, short term, you will make money short term with Kaspa, because we have Kasplex right now with the layer 2s and all these things coming on there. You will make money. Even if Kaspa didn't have anything on it, the entire crypto market follows Bitcoin. That part we already know. If Bitcoin starts to run right now, you, my friend, are going to see Kaspa run, even without anything on it. And that's the reason why I said you are going to make money short term. But long term, when the VPROCs go live, all these smart contracts, everything goes live on Kaspa, that is when you are going to realize that, oh, buying Kaspa right now at 5 cents was the best decision you've ever made. You are welcome. You are welcome. Seriously, you are welcome. Everybody and their grandmama still thinking about it. And let it be, write it down today, today's video. Let it be noted that I told you the market cap that Bitcoin has is going to roll over to Kaspa. You will see. The real money trickling down is going to happen from Bitcoin to Kaspa. You're going to see. They just had this the exposition they had in Dubai. Go watch it. You will understand it clearly when I'm telling you the real Bitcoin is called Kaspa. All these institutions, all these people, the KII, the KEF, DHL, Chinese government, Dubai, all of them, they are lining up in a straight line. Trust me. They had these guys that had the desert energy sector, whatever they call them. This industry are trillions and trillions of dollars worth. That's what they are. And these things are coming to Kaspa. It's going to be a blockchain or block-dagged, whatever you want to call it, okay? So far, we know it one way. Once Kaspa is said and done, and everything is completed, and it just a minor little upgrades, whatever, when it starts to happen, you are going to look at blockchain in a way that you've never seen before. You are going to see, go read that, the VPROX, go read the yellow paper, go read it. The things that are mentioned in that thing are like mind-blowing. But, hey, we know something, okay? For you and I, we don't care about all that tech. That is not our problem. Our problem is the money. The money, that's where we want to get it. Now, Kaspa is sitting at 5 cents. And you tell somebody, you know what? Bitcoin has a 15 or 16 year old 16 years head start. That's what it has. Kaspa is catching up. Okay? In the last 4 years, Kaspa has done more than Bitcoin has ever done in the entire 16 years. And we have not even flipped the on button yet. We are still in the, okay, press the A button. Does that work? Oh, yeah, okay. Press the B button. Hey, is that turning? Yeah, okay, good. Let's press the C button. Oh, is the level coming higher? Yeah, it is coming. Okay, now press the D button. Did Uncle Tommy show something? Yeah, that's the stage we are right now. Kaspa has not even started yet. And we've gone from zero to a $4 billion market cap. We've gone there. I'm telling you, it's just a matter of time. If not if, it's about when. And that's why I keep telling you. It's just like those of them who were buying Bitcoin in 2009, right? They were buying Bitcoin for the gains, for the money, which again, I'm not going to lie to you. I am buying Kaspa for the money because I want to go from zero to a multi-millionaire status. That's why I am accumulating Kaspa and Quants. Okay? So right now, while everybody and their grandmama is busy telling you one, telling you two, oh, this and that, and nobody bothers to double check their research. Nobody bothers to do that. Okay? First, like it's like how do you say it? I want to see what Marathon Digital is going to do. I want to see. Like, let's give it another 5, maybe 7 years. Let's see. When the rewards for mining Bitcoin are not long as lucrative as they thought they would. As a matter of fact, this is another thing. Okay, take a pen and paper, write it down. Let it be that I'm the one that said it here first. Okay, the Bitcoin network is dying. Let it be here that I told you. Let anybody else telling you different. You're gonna have Bitcoin. This next bull run that we're about to end, like we end this bull run now, the next one, I think that's going to be the last one you're going to see Bitcoin price try to go even higher. And I can tell you, okay, this bull run, 150, 160,000, we will see, okay, we will see things happen. Once we get there, like I always say, I don't see it. I don't see it going higher than that. 150, 160. I don't see it. If it goes, great. If it doesn't, let it be. I told you, because there's a lot of things that I look at, and I look at Bitcoin price, and I look at all the stuff that's happening. Yeah. If Bitcoin does not cross that $150,000, $160,000, okay, and Kaspa's VPROX go live, that's it. That will be the end of it. Seriously, that will be the end of it. And most people who don't see it now, it will start to make sense. Why do we have Bitcoin? Right? That's the first question. Why do we have Bitcoin? They tell you it's store of value. Store of what? With the price swings, it is not the store of value. With the way it is acting right now, it is not the store of value. I'm telling you, it's not. Ain't no way. And still, you still got people who don't want to believe it, who don't want to see it, who don't want to. Amen. I don't know what to tell you, man. But the wealth that you're looking for is right in front of you, because the real Bitcoin has begun to take shape. Kaspa is the real Bitcoin. People still don't get it. Okay, time is coming, okay? You see all my thumbnails, right? And I say Kaspa to $10. Still nobody believes it. 2026, okay? Kaspa is going to run harder than anything else. Mark my word about it. And then I want to see what people are going to tell me. Because very soon you are going to start seeing them talking about, oh, the store of value is Kaspa. As a matter of fact, look at this. Look, it's funny. That's why it's so funny to me, because when I was saying it, okay, I was saying Kaspa is the real Bitcoin, and all these people were busy laughing about it, telling me, hey, look at this post, okay? This post, like you say, you need to quote me. I was the first to say this about 2 years ago. in one of my videos, okay? If you click the link, look at what this guy said. Oh, come on. Cannot retrieve post. He was putting a post about, he cleaned it. Oh my God. He removed it. He removed it. Oh, he removed it. He said Kaspa Maxi. He removed it. Oh my God. Okay, let me see if I can find it this way. Let me see. Yep, let's see. He removed it. Oh my God, yeah, he removed it. He's a Bitcoin maxi, okay, who posted it saying like, yeah, Kaspa is the real Bitcoin. He posted it and he quoted, and I said, now you should quote me on it. No, don't try to, don't fuck around with me. Now you have to tell the people that I was right. That was what the argument between me and him was. I was like, you have to tell the people that I was right. I don't want to hear nothing else. Now everybody else is running to Kaspa being the real thing. You have to tell the people, because like even this guy, I think this guy saw that video, and when he replied that I'm the GOAT, I'm the greatest of all time, and I say, I say, come on, don't try to do this nonsense. Come on, you need to do that. Oh, come on, it's unbelievable that he deleted it. Man, guys, this is bad. This is wrong. I mean, stand your grounds, right? Prove me wrong. Like I said, prove me wrong. I've been saying it here. And the same thing I say, okay? Money is not going to trickle down. If you want to make that generational wealth, that money, okay, is the time for you to start getting that Kaspa. I've told you, I put my mouth where my money is every time. And you see how they have started to convert? They are now deleting posts and deleting stuff that they were talking about bad about Kaspa. It has started to happen. First, they will fight you. They will deny you. And lastly, when they say they cannot win, they will join you. You see, it has started to happen. Okay, you guys are just, you are witnesses. That's what you are. You are witnesses to the whole revolution happening. And this is the reason why I'm just saying, even if you don't believe in Kaspa, just buy 10,000 coins and hold them. Seriously, hold 10,000 coins. Accumulate quants, because the way this thing is going, the way this is going, a lot of people are going to regret. You see the same that people that regret right now not buying Bitcoin in 2009, 2010, that's the stage that you are right now. That's where you are. And there's still people who still don't want to see it, who don't want to see where the revolution is going. And I'm saying it. Guys, the real Bitcoin is called Kaspa. That's what it is. When everything is all said and done, you switch, go into what you call it, blockchain or block DAG, because that is where we are going. Payment system is going into there. Okay, store of value, like people are saying, and blah blah blah, which I don't believe it. I think gold is still the real store of value. But for us, that quick money you're looking for, accumulate Kaspa. Once you accumulate Kaspa, Kaspa goes up there, because trust me, it's gonna go past $10. Kaspa will go past then $10. You'll be looking at Kaspa at $100 or even more. And if you don't see it, if you're one of those people that say, oh, we want to see where the market cap is going to come from. Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, all these top 10, if you exclude the stable coins, all their market caps is going to bleed into Kaspa. I'm telling you, this VPROX is a game changer. If VPROX, it makes Kaspa the ultimate Bitcoin, the ultimate blockchain, and yet people don't see it. Don't look at price, my friend. Follow the, like I always tell you, okay? You find a coin, you do your research, you buy it, you sit tight, let the development happen. Right now they're testing buttons, like I told you earlier. That's all they're doing, testing buttons, making sure everything works as it's supposed to, making sure the left is left, right is right, up is up, and everything working the way it's supposed to. Once they are done and they flip that on button, yep, you keep waiting for the money to trickle down, and you think they are going to prioritize inflation, to fix inflation instead of fixing the economy. You keep on waiting. Okay, Trumpicius Magicius has another one for you. Trust me, it's not gonna be like you think. It's not gonna be they come in and print money to oblivion. It's not gonna be like that. And those of you who are still waiting on Bitcoin, instead of looking at Kaspa, who is the real Bitcoin, you're about to have it a surprise of your life. Trust me, you're about to. And that's when I'm just sitting. That's why I'm just sitting here laughing at everything. those of you who said, "Oh, once the government comes back on, money is gonna trickle down." What did you see? What do you see? It's about to happen, man. We are just this close. You refuse to buy Kaspa, right? You refuse to buy Acorns, right? Okay, we're gonna sit here and I'm gonna make fun of you. I'm not even hiding it. I'm telling you right now. Anyways, like, let's go right quick. Let's go look at the market. Let's see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Let's see. Crypto bubbles. Where are we? Because they said I was told it was gonna, the market was going. You see, the government opened today, nothing happened. What happens is that the Bitcoin price went down and it dragged everybody and their grandmama with it. Again, why? Job reports, right? The job report was really, really bad. Do you still not see it? Tell me, do you still not see it? They're gonna pump it. Yeah, I'm waiting for Bitcoin to go to 150, 160,000. It's gonna happen. But oh well, it's you, right? It's up to you to if you want to believe it or not. But let's go first with King Kaspa, KAS. For the past hour, 1.6% down, 6.3% down on the day, 16.4% up on the week, 18.1% down on the month, and 67.1% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $1.33 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $38.21 million. We look at Quant, the banker's coin, and the coin a lot of people love to hate. And we have here 1.2% down the last hour, 0.2% down on the day, 16.3% up on the week, 8.7% down on the month, and 22.7% up on the year, sitting at a market cap of $1.20 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $17.98 million. Right now we go to the next one, Cubic. Okay, they're still fighting over there. I told you I want to open a position on this, and those of you who were asking me yesterday, what am I waiting for? Do you see? I told you I got my way. I need to wait, right? Be patient. If you are patient in this market, you're going to make a lot of money. If you would have entered trade yesterday, you will be negative today. I told you I do want to enter a trade on Cubic, but I have to wait. It's coming, okay? But anyways, if you look at it for the past hour, 0.9% down, 7.2% down on the day, 2.8% down on the week, 40% down on the month, and 30.9% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $121.81 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $3.37 million. Just wait. It's coming. I think maybe by the end of this week or probably sometime next week, we are going to have it reach the bottom, and then I will enter my my trade on it. Okay, now let's go look at Jasmine, the Japanese Bitcoin. What do we have going on there? 1.1% down the last hour, 6.1% down on the day, 13.8% up on the week, 15.5% down on the month, and 58.9% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $450.04 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $34.88 million. This is another coin too. Like you guys already know, I want to open a trade on it. So I will keep on waiting. Just be patient, okay? Now, last but not the least, Jonathan's pet turtle, which is I call the orange guy, Bitcoin. This is why the entire market is going down, because everything, unfortunately, is tied to the Bitcoin's hip. Okay, so for the past hour, 0.3% down, 2.8% down on the day, okay, 2.1% up on the week, 10.5% down on the month, and 27.8% up on the year, sitting at the market cap of $2.05 trillion and a 24 hours volume traded at $71.57 billion. Okay, now let's go right quick. Let's go look at the prices in details. Let's see what we got going on here. Although we already know, right? There's no need to try to run it. Dixie going down, Bitcoin going down. Yeah, this is not right. Okay, this is not, like I always told you, this is not right. One of them needs to give up. And now this, again, when you start looking at this, you remember when I was telling you, okay, you need to look at the order. Kaspa, Quant, and Cash. Look at the Bitcoin price. What's happening to it? Dropping, right? Why are altcoins not going? Why are altcoins not going up? Go look at ETFs. Dropping. Everybody and their grandmama is sitting on their cash. Everybody knows where this market is going. They're sitting, skimming, and sitting on a pile of cash. Does it make sense now when I tell you Kaspa, Quant, Cash? You need to have those things. Does it make any sense? Okay, you just keep on watching, okay? You will see. It's about to start. We are almost there. Anyway, Dixie going down. You see Bitcoin going down too. Anyways, now if you look here on the 1 hourly, okay, we see Kaspa. Let's zoom it out. For those of you who say, yeah, price is dropping, price. No, it's a bull flag. That's what it is. It's that simple. I've shown it to you. No, say I don't even know how many times. You see, pole flag. That's what's happening. Pole flag. That's what is happening. Therefore, just hold on tight. It's going to reach to a point where it's going to break above, retest, and up it went. Okay, relax. It's a bullish. It's forming a bullish structure. That's what's happening right now. Relax. Okay. Anyways, now if you look at it on the 4 hourly, see. Again, the same thing. Look on the 4 hour. The ribbon finally has turned green. So pay attention. Normally, I would be panicking if I was a day trader. If this price that went up, if it touches the moving average and then get rejected, then yeah, I will be panicking because I'll be looking, okay, where is the next support going to be? But so far, So far, it has not even touched the moving average yet. And when you zoom it in, you see the ribbon is still green. Relax. This price action you're looking at today is everybody coming to realize that, okay, the floodgates that they were promised when the government comes back on, they are not opening. That's what, and I told you yesterday, and not even yesterday, the day before, and the months now, watch macroeconomy, and whatever they're telling you, money trickling down, is not going to happen, right? And this again, my friends, is another reason why I am not a day trader. So yeah, it's a matter of time. Just keep on waiting. Just sit tight. Now look at it. You see, on the daily, what do you see? Look at where the moving average is, and look at where the price is, and look at the ribbon. It has started to curve. So patience, my friend. Everybody and their grandmama still looking at it, and I think I even remember telling you, like, guys, TA is useless at this point, because once Bitcoin crashes, everything goes with it. TA is useless. All you have to look at right now is fundamentals. That's what you're looking at. Whatever coin you are trading, look at the fundamentals. And when I tell you that Kaspa is the real Bitcoin, this is the time you have to start piling this thing up like it was going out of style. That's what you have to do. But well, it's up to you, right? You are free to do whatever you want with your money. As of me, I'm telling you, anything below 12 cents is just noise. Noise, that's what it is. Because the major resistance is at 12 cents. After 12 cents, you do have some resistance at 15 cents before you start looking to conquer 18 and 19 cents. Once you do that, all-time high will be next. You conquer that, and then we will be in price discovery. And trust me, this thing is going to happen very soon with Kaspa. Okay, now let's go right quick. Let's go look at Quant. Although, like I said, Bitcoin doing its thing, there's no point trying to look at any TA on anything. Okay, right now you see Quant is doing exactly the same. Now, when you look at Quant on the 1 hourly, you will see the support is being held by the moving average. You can bounce on it. That's where we are right now. So technically, Quant is trading sideways. Okay, when you try to zoom out, you will see it here. Technically, that's what we are doing, trading sideways. And I told you yesterday, we are in a diamond pattern. Okay, diamond pattern, if you do look at it, see, you have one, you have another resistance, support, then you have a resistance, with the pole coming down. That is a diamond pattern. Very soon it's going to run out of room, come out, retest, and start to go. That's what we are looking for. Okay, so far we are still in this diamond pattern, which again, when you see it, is kind of swinging. It's kind of squeezing to the point that if you look at this high, it's higher than this, this low. See, you see how they are all going almost like in a triangle. Very soon it's going to pop. That's what's happening, and everybody and their grandmama still not paying attention to it. Okay, and again, look, when you zoom it out, see the ribbon just flat. That's what's happening. Indecision. People don't know what to do. Indecision. And if you go on the 4 hourly, look on the 4 hour right quick. See, you are on the 4 hour. Look at the ribbon, green facing upwards. See, it is okay. All you have to do is just sit tight, guys. Sit tight. And if you zoom it out, what do you have? A bull flag. Look, up, right now, it is forming this. That's what it's doing. You see it? It is easily, man, I don't know. That's why, like, when you chase green candles, you miss these opportunities. It is just sit tight. It is coming. It's about to go. Just sit tight. Even when you look at it on the daily, for example, okay? See? Look at it on the daily. Look at that ribbon. Perfect curve. It is, see? Perfect curve right there. You see? Again, look at it. Perfect curve, right? That's what it is doing right now. All you gotta do is sit tight. It came back, did a perfect retest. The previous resistance now turned into support. And when I tell people this, everybody don't want to listen. People want to go look at ABC, whatever, blah, 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 whatever you're calling it. Even on the weekly, look at the weekly. The first weekly candle just turned green. We touched the bottom, we just turned green weekly candle. Quant is bullish. Anything below $125 is just noise. You just got to pay attention to that. It's just noise. Therefore, what you're looking at right now, $125, we go above that, you're looking at 151. Once we close it, 164. Then we will be heading into 176. After that, 230. There is not much resistance. Then all-time high will come in before we even start saying hello. We will be looking at price discovery. Be patient, my friend. Be patient. Everything is playing according to plan. Just be patient. You will see. Okay. Now let's go look at the Bitcoin right quick. Let me show you. Okay. Bitcoin right here. See, Bitcoin again. See. What do you see? Look at the ribbon. Look at it. It's just squeezing. Today, people are just like, oh, we were expecting government to open up and then money start to flow. No, it's not that way. They are not going to print that money. It's not going to happen. A lot of people that did this, they opened a lot of long position. This is why Bitcoin price crashed, because there was a lot of long position. But I can tell you now that this is a fake out. That's what it is. Look at the ribbon. Curving upwards is red, and again, price did not touch the moving average. Didn't. It's a fake out. I'm telling you. You might wake up tomorrow or next and you're about to see Bitcoin. Oh, bam, $110,000. Watch. You will see. Watch, you will see. Because I'm telling you, Bitcoin right now, we are heading to 150, 160,000. That's what Bitcoin is about to do. Because we don't have much time before the government decide, you know what, to hell with this. We need to fix this problem. And then all hell, the bubble will get blown and all hell will break loose. It's about to happen. But before that, Bitcoin is going to hit 150 or 160,000. You will see. Okay? There is no need to panic. Everything is going according to plan. Look at it on the daily. Do you see on the daily? Look at the ribbon. Look at the moving average. Price is moving towards the upside. Oh my God. You will see. Okay? Those of you who don't believe, I don't know. That's your problem. Even gold. Like, you start looking at gold. Look at it. See? You see? Start looking at gold. Because the problem, like when they were talking about it today, oh, they're going to open up and money's going to do this. That's what pumped the gold price. But you're about to see again, because the entire world, go look at the stock market. The entire world is about to figure out, oh man, they're not going to do that. And then gold prices are going to come way where they started. Look at it on the weekly. Okay? See. This, my friend, is not sustainable. Parabolic gold is not sustainable. Okay? Anyways, it's up to you. I'm telling you, you have to pay attention to where the economy is going. Macroeconomy is going to determine everything that you know. Okay? And there's a lot, unfortunately, my friends, it's a lot of people are going to left holding the hot potato, unfortunately. That, hey, if you don't know how to pay attention, if you don't want to listen, well, then you deserve the hot potato. You deserve it. Okay? Anyways, now, let's go look at my positions. But before we do that, like I've always said, please stay away from leverage trading. Stay away from it. It's the easiest way you can lose your money. Just stick to spot. Now, but if you want to learn how to leverage trade, down below I do have the links. Bydfi, Phemex, Margex, and Wix Exchange. Follow those links and sign up, and they will give you free money once you meet their deposit requirements. Okay? Once you do that, once you get the money, take $20 out and start to practice how to open a trade, how to close a trade, scale it up, scale it down. Now, when you can turn, if you can turn $20 into $40, 40 into $80, 80 into 160, and so on and so forth, then you are ready to trade with big money. If you still cannot do it, my friend, keep on practicing. Don't use big money, because if you don't practice, you are going to be the mayor of Wreck City. And don't say I didn't warn you. Okay. Anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick. First, we are going to start with Bydfi. You guys know there, I am trading King Kaspa, and I am also trading Quant. Right now, my overall is sitting at $7,100 approximately. Okay, the market is doing its thing, and we're sitting tight. We are not panicking. Looking at my positions, you will see that here, oh, Kaspa is down 4.9. Tempting. I think I'm going to buy some more. Tempting. But anyways, if you look at my positions, okay, on my Quant, I am still down $3,300 approximately. On my Kaspa, I am up $679 approximately. That's what's going on there. Now, this is what I wanted to show you. Let me open this right here. Okay, where is the MACD? Open MACD. Okay, MACD on the 1 hour. You see, you have to look at this. Look at the MACD. Okay, you see how it is turning solid red. Very soon it's going to be a light red, and then it will turn green. Because if you look, all this while from here, all this while it has been red, right? That means, my friends, the bearish momentum is running out. That's what's happening. If you look at it on the 4 hourly, look, you see, it is about to get there, and a lot of people still not paying attention to it. But anyways, that's their problem. But one thing I want to show you is just my position. That's what I care about. If you look at my positions, see, one, I'm up, I'm on my Kaspa, and I'm also paying attention to my Quant. Everything is playing the way I want it to play. So anyways, now let's go look at the next one. It's going to be on Phemex. On Phemex, I'm trading just King Kaspa only. And there you can see my overall, come on, open up. It's sitting at $1,100 approximately. Okay, that's what we're sitting at. And when I open up my contracts, you will see that here, I am still up $600. Like I told you, it's gonna swing. Yeah, it's all right. Let it do what it gotta do. Okay, $600. Yeah, we're sitting tight, and let's see what Bitcoin decides to do. Because if Bitcoin starts running today, this thing is also gonna go up. Okay, let's wait. Sit tight. Now, last but not the least, we are gonna look at Wix Exchange. Wix Exchange. There, I'm also still trading just a King Kaspa. And you can see my overall also still sitting the same, $1,100 approximately. You guys remember Phemex and Wix, I opened them all at the same time. So yeah, they're going to be the same. So $1,100. And then we look at my contracts, you will see that here I am up $500 in profits. Okay, that's as you can see. One thing you will notice about all of them, if you've been pausing the videos, is that I trade at 50x and I don't use stop loss. Now, since the government opened up today, let's look at my son's Acorn account. Let's see what his Acorn account looks like. Let's go here. $433. Well, not bad. It's still doing good. It's still doing good. So if you open that and you look at here, his portfolio, yeah, it's still doing good. 3.11%. Actually, yesterday was like 2.7%. Yesterday. Today is 3.11. He's doing pretty good for a 9-year-old boy. Yeah, I'm proud of the boy. He's doing good. That's nice. Anyways, guys, those of you who want to tell you different, I told you, and I will say it again, Kaspa is the real Bitcoin. Go on to double check yourself. Go read the white paper, Bitcoin white paper, and look at what Kaspa is accomplishing, and you will see what I'm telling you. I said this a year or two ago. I said it a couple months back, and I'm saying it again today. Do not sleep on Kaspa. Do not sleep on Quant, because you are going to miss out on the biggest wealth transfer ever. You are going to miss it out. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like and comment. I am very interested in knowing what you think about everything that we talked about today. And also don't forget to share, so that other millionaire-minded attitude like you and yours truly, we all can see these videos and the family can grow. Until I see you in my next one, my friends, pile up on that Kaspa. You're welcome. I will say it in advance for those of you who listen. You are welcome. Because yeah, generational wealth, money is about to be made in Kaspa, and you will see. Until I see you again, please take very good care of yourselves, okay? Bye bye.